track meet. They took advantage of their quickness, and they got a lot of fast break points. In the first half, they had 19 turnover points. So they had 19 fast break points in the first half. I don't know how many that ended up, and it just snowballed from there. Our offense wasn't as bad as it may seem. We had 22 assists, worse than Titan, but we just couldn't keep up in the running game, and then we just couldn't defend the next game.
Yung siyempre yung injuries to your players.
Yeah, I mean, it's easy to have that as an excuse. We're not complete. We're not in shape yet coming off our extended break. I think that's the biggest challenge. It's not basketball per se, it's the tediousness of everything. We've been going on without the breaks for 5 conferences, so then the challenge was is how to get up every day runs to still get better, to still have that eagerness and hunger to make ourselves better every day, despite going through this for what, 5-6 conferences straight. Good thing there's a break coming up na mas malayo, but kailangan namin matawid din eh. From tomorrow, we have practice tomorrow because another game is coming up. So from tomorrow till the break, we need to be able to hold the fort and still manage a respectable record. And then that break will be our welcome off season.
Were you surprised na ikaw out si Papa mo?
Hindi, marami naman na emotion side. But yeah, again, it's everybody needs it.
Okay. But just thank you.